Okay, so far we've seen how transactions are made, direct forward value transfer and backwards value transfer, and also distribution transactions. But now we're going to see how routing methods could actually improve distributions within the network. We're going to check how it could work, and then we're going to make an example with all that we've learned. So, for example, we had A and B. So let's say that A starts with 100 and B with 100 as well. So let's say A makes a transaction to B of 30. We're not going to make them with the added rate, just for the routing example. So in this case, A it's 70 and B it's 130. We're going to focus on the links. So the links could be make independent of each other. So let's say if A makes another transaction to B of 20, so gets 150. And also transactions from B to A could be independent from the links. And the way the system would work, let's say he sends 40. So he sends 40 to I, and A gets 90. But we could also have this system updating the links. So in this case, it would look like this. It's really easy, the same, 100, 100. A makes a transaction initially of 30. So in this case, A makes another transaction of 20. But it reinforces the link. And then we made a transaction from B to A. So this transaction would weaken the link. Still, with this method, just registering reinforcement and weakening of links like this, we could also have loops built within the network, and still the system would work. So let's say we had another account C, also with 100, and let's say B sends 50 to C. So we update here 60, and C would have 150. And then let's say C makes a transaction to A of 40. Why not 40? We update C, have 110, and A would get the 40, so it would be 130. If we check so far here, we haven't actually moved the meta value from anyone. If we made the calculation of meta value, because it would be here 130 plus 10 minus 40, that's 100. B would be 60 plus 50, that'd be 110 minus 10, this would be 100. And here 110 plus 40, 50 minus 50 would be 100. There's also another option that that's what we're gonna use for the remainder of the examples. That's gonna be looking always for the route, if there is one, and updating all the links in the route. So let's go